Spell checking and grammar. Word provides you with several proofing features that will help you produce professional, error-free documents. In this lesson, you will learn about the various proofing features, including the spelling and grammar tool. To make your document appear professional, you'll want to make it free from spelling and grammar errors. Word has several options for checking your spelling. You can run a spelling and grammar check, or you can allow Word to check your spelling automatically as you type. To run a spelling and grammar check: 1. Go to the Review tab. 2. Click on the Spelling and Grammar command. 3. The Spelling and Grammar dialog box will open. For each error in your document, Word will try to offer one or more suggestions. You can select a suggestion and then click Change to correct the error. 4. If no suggestions are given, you can manually type in the correct spelling. Ignoring errors. The spelling and grammar check is not always correct. Particularly with grammar, there are many errors that Word will not notice. There are also times where the spelling and grammar check will say that something's an error when it's actually not. This often happens with people's names which may not be in the dictionary. If Word says that something is an error, you can choose not to change it. Depending on whether it's a spelling or a grammar error, you can choose from several options. For spelling errors, ignore once. This will skip the word without changing it. Ignore all. This will skip the word without changing it, and it will also skip all other instances of this word in the document. Add to dictionary. This adds the word to the dictionary so that it will never come up as an error. Make sure that the word is spelled correctly before choosing this option. For grammar errors, ignore once. This will skip the error without changing it. Ignore rule. This will skip this error as well as all other instances that relate to this grammar rule. Next sentence. This skips the sentence without changing it and leaves it marked as an error. If you're not sure about a grammar error, you can click Explain to see why Word thinks it's an error. This can help you determine whether you want to change it or not. Automatic spelling and grammar checking. By default, Word automatically checks your document for spelling and grammar errors, so you may not even need to run a separate spelling and grammar check. These errors are indicated by colored, wavy lines. The red line indicates a misspelled word. The green line indicates a grammar error. The blue line indicates a contextual spelling error. This feature is turned off by default. A contextual spelling error is when a wrong word is used, but the word is spelled correctly.